Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys today's after dark speed clean with me. This was my first time cleaning our new, I guess, ish kitchen. If you haven't seen my kitchen makeover, make sure that you go and check that out. But I wanted to share just an after dark cleaning motivation video, and so I hope that this video can give you tons of motivation to get cleaning and just get some things done. So grab your drink of choice, put me up on any device that you want, and let's get cleaning together. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We are doing a after dark kind of clean with me as my house is trashed. I mean, I'm solo parenting. Aaron's on night shift tonight, so yeah, when I'm solo parenting, honestly, I don't get a whole heck of a lot done during the day, so this is what my house looks like. I hope that this video can give you lots of motivation to tackle your house, whether you're cleaning this in the evening or during the morning or whatever, but grab a coffee, grab a glass of wine, and let's get cleaning together. So I'm just starting off by cleaning up the dining area / kitchen, as I feel like this is always where I start, because to me, if the kitchen is clean, I feel so good about my house. Let me know in the comments what room it is to you that, like, no matter if it's clean, you just feel great. So I'm just starting off with doing the dishes and loading the dishwasher. So as you can see, we have two little helpers today. Usually they are so good at playing by themselves while I clean up after dinner, but for some reason today they just were like all in my space, and it was so funny. Wait till you see Adeline while I'm trying to do the dishes.
Faster.
What are you guys doing?
Quick feet.
Quick feet? Addie, can you do quick feet? Whoa! Alright, back to cleaning. Alright guys, so if you are new here, my name is Brianne and I clearly have two little girls. There is Lily, who is 3, and Adeline, who is 1. And on my channel here, I like to create lots of motivation for the home. I do lots of cleaning videos, motherhood, lifestyle, and then I've been doing the odd home DIY project and transformation videos. So if you like that sort of content, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button, as I would love to have you join our growing YouTube community. So this is what I was talking about with Adeline, and I was trying to do the dishes. She was just laying and playing in the worst spot. Thankfully, she moved in time for me to do the dishes, as I just kind of tidied up the rest that needed to be done. But yeah, this is mom life at its finest. Over on my channel here, I like to show you guys the real motherhood and the real life of cleaning up while having kids. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I am just trying to keep it totally real and relatable. So now it is time to do the dishes. I normally don't wash my pots and stuff by hand, but for some reason I had so many dishes today, so I had to end up doing some of them by hand, and then I always wash our daughter's dishes by hand, and I never put those in the dishwasher. Let me know in the comments if you have a dishwasher or not, and if you do you use it? There's some people that I know that don't actually use their dishwasher, and I would literally not know how to do my life without a dishwasher.
A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah.
So you'll notice from my kitchen makeover, I had this cabinet put in here and the countertop is not very nice. So I've been just trying to cover it with this cutting board, and I actually am really digging the look of it, but I still haven't received my countertop paint kit. It's actually super late. It was supposed to arrive last week. And so yeah, that's been taking some time to get here. And so we'll kind of see when that video will be up, but stay tuned as I will be doing a countertop makeover as well.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it.
Moving on to the dining room area, I'm just going ahead and clearing off the table. Now that I got rid of our junk drawer in our kitchen, I find that my table just collects so much stuff. I'm still trying to figure that out, but when I do have it figured out, which will be never, let's be honest, but I'll try and share any tips that I have for you. So I'm just using my Tiber River to go ahead and clean our placemats, and then I will be taking my Pledge to clean my table. Yes, I still use Pledge, I know, but I still haven't found anything. I was recently told about a new product, but I haven't been able to find it. So once I find it, I will try it and I will let you guys know how I like it. You'll also notice there's this little white spot on the table that I thought was like dirt or something or food, but it's actually just like a chip in my table. So now that the kitchen and the dining room are done, we are just moving on to the entryway slash the living room area. This is where the girls play, so it's also our playroom. And so you'll notice when we get to the living room here, there is toys everywhere. Toys and books and all the things. And as I mentioned earlier, my husband was on nights, and so usually during the day when he's home or off, I will clean up and tidy up kind of throughout the day. But when he's working nights, I honestly just like sit back and play with the girls and let the house become a total mess. And that's why I thought it would be really nice to show you guys like just kind of the mess throughout the day. This is literally real life, you guys. I think this is about as messy as it gets. Some of you might be thinking like, oh, it's just toys or whatever, but stuff like this makes my anxiety crazy, which is why I don't normally let it get this bad. But when my husband's working nights, it seems to just not bother me as much. We also have a little rule in our house that before the girls are allowed to watch their show while I cook dinner, we have to do a little cleanup time. And so it just really helps them to learn that, you know, you have to do some chores here and there. And of course, I'm not like doing any child labor or anything, you guys, but I actually love that because Lily loves helping me tidy up. Usually she'll just start cleaning up on her own, to be honest. And I just think that it is such a neat thing for her to actually want to do. And of course, I never force it upon her, but if she wants to watch her show, then she knows that she has to clean up a little bit. And if the house is like totally trashed, I will obviously help as well, as Adeline isn't much help right now. I mean, she's only 18 months old, so yeah. Alright, you guys, I also had to just really quickly clean the toys out of the tub as I wanted to have a bath tonight, and I really like things to just be like done when I have a bath so that I can actually sit back and relax. So now the house is just tidied up, and it literally makes my heart so happy to be able to sit back and actually enjoy my evening. Thank you so much for watching today's After Dark Clean with me. If you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. I know lots of you who watch my channel are not currently subscribed, and I would love to have you join our YouTube family. So we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.